Hi guys, I'd like to talk to you about bike lights. So I added some lights to my bike. Let me tell you how I did that and why I did that and where I got the components for it. So I added the lights to my bike to make it easier for drivers. Drivers don't want to hit people, so anything you can do to make yourself more visible, to give them a chance to see you so they don't hit you. Uh, it's a benefit for everyone, including you, so you don't get hit and die. So I power those with an 18650 cell. You can also use rechargeable AA's. You can use 2 or 3, doesn't matter. So these are low voltage, the lithium cell and the AA batteries. So you need to bump it up to 12 volts. And that's what this little guy is for. So this is a voltage step-up converter, step-up module. You can adjust the output voltage using this potentiometer right here. And this little guy on eBay, let me look that up real quick. It's a DC to DC boost regulator. It's 75 cents from China. It'll take a long time to get to your door, but it's only 75 cents, so just be patient. 2 amp max. So this will step up your lithium cell or your AA batteries and make it something useful. So it can input anywhere from 2 volts to 24 volts and output 5 volts to 28 volts. And you use that potentiometer to adjust the voltage. So that's the power source. This little guy. If you're using lithium, you need this little guy to well, there's all kinds of options, but this is the cheapest and most elegant solution. This little guy will charge your lithium cell using a micro USB port. And so you connect your battery. So there's battery minus, battery positive. So you go from the battery to this module, and this module will charge your battery at 1 amp, and it will also limit the output current to 1 amp. So if you don't have this and you just hook the battery straight to the LED strip or whatever lights you have hooked up, and you drain the battery, it will just keep draining and keep draining. Unless you have this, this will prevent you from over discharging your lithium cell. So this is very important if you decide to use lithium. So you go in from the battery to these terminals here. Here's negative terminal, here's positive terminal, and then you go out from here to your step-up converter. How much are these guys? Let's take a look. These guys are 5 of them for $1.74, so dirt cheap. So you go out from here to your voltage step-up converter, and then from here you go out to your lights. And the lights are dirt cheap, come on long rolls. I think I may have already said that. So if you go just directly from your battery, so either lithium cell or your rechargeable AA's or whatever you have, if you go directly from your battery to your light strip, there we go, nothing happens. It's just not high enough voltage. Voltage is 4.15 volts, so this battery is fully charged. So when I disconnect this, 0 volts. And so that's why you need this step-up circuit. Nice, cheap, simple step-up circuit. So this is a lithium battery. This is all 3 of these components combined, and I just cover it with tape to keep it from shorting out. So we've got this charge and discharge protection circuit here. We have the voltage step-up circuit here, and lithium cell going out to this connector, and we will hook it up to this light strip with one hand. There we go. And it's just under 9 volts. And powering it away. So you can get all kinds of colors, and these light strips are dirt cheap. Let me turn this off so it's not blowing out the camera. You can make these strips just about any length you want, but you have to do it on this strip. Some strips of LEDs are different. On this strip you have 3 LEDs and then a place to cut it, so that you can see the little scissors symbol there, and then 1, 2, 3 LEDs and a place to cut it. You have the option of non-waterproof and waterproof. This waterproof one, I still have the resistor in there, but it's still 1, 2, 3, cut it, 1, 2, 3, you can cut it there. This one would be 12 volts because the resistor's still in there. Again, there are many different options you can use. You can go to some high power units if you want to power a whole lot of lights. You can use multiple cells, and these are different protection circuits for different cells. You can add a phone charger if you want. This is a quick charge. So many options. But yeah, the simplest one I found is these 3 components here, and I'll put some links for some of these components down below. Thanks for watching.